Welcome to part 6 of the .NET MAUI series. In this video, we will connect our app to a local SQLite database and perform full CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. SQLite is ideal for apps that need to store data locally, such as to-do lists, notes, or offline products. To get started, add SQLite Net PCL to your project. This is a lightweight ORM built on SQLite for .NET. Here is a basic model for storing notes. It has an auto-incrementing ID, title, and description. This database service class wraps all database operations: create, read, update, and delete. It is clean and reusable. Set up a static property in app.xml.cs to access the database globally. Pass the path from MAUI program.cs. Build the file path using filesystem.appdata directory so it works across platforms like Android, iOS, and Windows. The view model loads and saves nodes. Use observable collection so the UI updates automatically. Bind your node list to a collection view. Add a button to create a new node using commands or methods. Your app can now create, update, and delete records locally, all powered by SQLite and view models. Let us walk through a complete CRUD demo. We will create, update, and delete nodes and see the data persist across app restarts. To summarize, with just one NuGet package, you can make your .NET MAUI apps work offline and persist data using SQLite. Next up, we will go beyond local data and call real REST APIs from our MAUI app. Learn how to show data from the web. Thanks for following along. Subscribe to ASP NET SQL Academy for the next episode, where we connect to live APIs.